In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Amazon app from Spanish to English. So this is quite simple and easy. So let's get started. So on your Amazon app, just go ahead and tap the three horizontal lines on the bottom left. And as you can see here, the language is on Spanish mode. So we have to put it to English mode. You will see here the flag pictures. Just go ahead and tap that one. And then tap the second options. And then to change it, just click on English. And that's it. That's how to change language on Amazon app from Spanish to English. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.